Is Revcash really a great new method to earn free cash and crypto, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and many of my viewers here on my channel have asked me about this app and whether it's really a great way to earn. And therefore I decided to test it, and in this Revcash review I will give you an inside look and show both the pros and the cons, because it definitely has both. So then you will know exactly what to expect and whether this is the right way for you to earn some extra money online or not. So let's start by going over who can join. And Revcash is an app you can only download through the Google Play Store, so it's only for Android devices. But from what I've been able to find out, it is available more or less worldwide. There might be a few countries you cannot download it from. That's how it sometimes is with apps like this. But you just go to Google Play. If it's there in your country, then that is because you can actually download it and start earning. And when you look at the description of it, it says a new way to make side cash just by completing short tasks. So let's test that. I have tested it myself, and now I will share my results with you. I'll log into the app now, and then you will find out exactly what to expect. I am now logged into the Revcash app, and one of the advantages of it is that it's actually fairly easy to start using. You can just see the different ways to earn. It is just automatic on the top offers. You have surveys, daily coins, and offer walls. So if you've used get paid to sites or apps before, it's kind of self-explanatory what it is. You know, the surveys, you take some of the surveys there, you answer surveys, you get paid for it. It has several providers it works with, so it gives access to a decent number of paid surveys. It's not one of the highest paying survey apps for sure. Like, I've tested hundreds of different survey apps, and I would say the rewards for the service and for your time here is below average compared to many other apps in my experience. And the offer walls also, let's just continue straight into those ones, because I have a lot of different videos where I talk about paid offers. Basically, you go here, you find different paid offers, they explain exactly what you need to do, and then you will get paid for doing it. It can be to download a game, it can be to sign up for some kind of website or things like that. Some of them pay decently, but again, a little bit below average compared to other sites where you can find these different paid offers. But there's also one more, this called daily coins, and I want to talk a little bit more about that, because many of you have asked me about this, because it looks like a really easy way to earn by watching videos. So let me just reveal if it really is the case. So I now jumped there to the daily coins, and you can see you can watch videos in different ways. You can do it inside the app where you will watch ads there. You can do it through Hideout or Loot TV. I have a full video where I also explain about how to get the most out of, for example, watching it through Hideout TV, because the platform you connected to really will affect the overall earning potential. I will leave a link of that video in the top corner if you're interested in earning through Hideout TV. But this one is the one that looks the easiest, because I just need to click and then I can watch an ad here inside this app, inside the Revcash app. So you see it just says like I watch videos and then I will earn. So right now I have 4,000. So let me just try to watch a video. See, a video ad comes up. Right now it counts in the corner. This is 30 seconds, and then there will be like some changes. You need to like close it down, things like that. So in total you should expect to spend close to a minute, 45 seconds to a minute to watch an ad like this. So I'll just be back once it is over. So I now finished watching that ad, and if I click to refresh there, you can see it just loads it, and then I got 2,000 coins or 2,000 points. It's not the same as these coins you earn inside the app, and this is why I want to talk a little bit more about this, because that can be confusing, because you see you earn V coins by watching the videos, and 10,000 V coins equals one regular Revcash coin, and this can be very confusing, and I need to earn that before I can actually convert. So you see, then I need to convert it, and then I would get one coin into my Revcash, but I would need to watch 5 ads at the time of recording this video. Anyways, I get 2,000 of these V coins per video I watch, but that means that I would need to spend around 5 minutes probably to watch it, and there won't always be ads available, but let's just say there are. So then I spent 5 minutes to earn one coin, Revcash coin, which is equivalent to around 1 cent. So you can kind of figure out that you really have to spend a lot of time doing this to earn just even, a few cents. and really not an effective way to earn. And in general, you won't earn a lot by watching videos, but here, this Vcoin's earning opportunity with ads here, it's just like so ridiculously low value for your time. Definitely the lowest paying inside here. But let's also talk about how you can actually get paid, because that's also a very important thing. They say that this is a new way to earn free cash in crypto. So let's talk about how you can actually get your earnings out. So you go to the menu up here, and there you can find an option to withdraw. And then if you look here, you can see the different redeem options. And I cannot guarantee that this will be the exact same in your country, because sometimes that does vary from country to country. But you do have cash, you have crypto options, you have gift cards here, also Visa cards. So I actually do think it has great payout options, but you also need to see how long it takes to get paid. For example, I need to earn 500 coins, which is $5, to get paid via PayPal. So the payout threshold is actually fairly low. $5 is not bad for a get paid to app like this. And if you see then, for example, Bitcoin, however, you need to earn 2,000 coins, which is $20. So there it is a little bit higher. For Litecoin, you see it's only $1. So if you want to get paid fast, then you should choose something like Litecoin. But what is important to understand is that it still will take a lot of patience to just reach $5, because the rewards are just not as high inside Revcash as it is through many other apps or websites. But I do like that they do have a fairly low payout threshold for at least PayPal and Litecoin. And you can reach it, but it does take some patience. But it is true that it does offer you to earn crypto and cash for free. However, on the page, as I showed in the beginning, it says it's a new method to earn free cash and crypto. And there's nothing new about Revcash. It offers the exact same as many others, just in many cases with a little bit less reward. So this whole claim about it being a new method, as they say, I've tested hundreds of different apps and websites that offer more or less the same, but I just prefer using some of the others instead, because they give better overall earning opportunities. So to sum it all up, Revcash can be a way to earn crypto or cash or gift cards for that matter for free. And it does have good payout options, fairly low payout threshold, but the rewards it offers are just quite low compared to many other similar options. And this is the reason I haven't really used it a lot. I'm also not going to use it a lot, because there are so many great apps and websites out there. So I do prefer focusing on the ones that gives the best value for my time. And I do have a list of the best get paid to sites and apps on my website. I will leave a link to that below, so then you can check out my top recommended options if you're interested in that. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, so you know exactly what to expect from Revcash. And if the video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.